ibi àánú báyé mi dé o, àròjinlẹ̀ ni mo rò.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Kodaolu. The journey have been so wonderful. 15 years of togetherness. Ọpẹ́ ló yẹ wá la fi ń dúpẹ́. Olúwa nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa lóòótọ́. Ọlọ́run ọba fẹ́ wa. Bọ́lọ́run ọba ṣe fìfẹ́ hàn sí wa. Tí Olúwa fẹ́ wa yìí, kí Ọlọ́run ọba Elédùmarè má pa náà fẹ́ wa. Ọlámilékan. The past 15 years have been nothing but joy, self-growth, and plenty of wonderful stories between us both. All of these would not have been possible without you being by my side for all this time. Abimbola Miowan, if it hasn't been for your endless and unconditional love and support, I don't think that we would have been standing where we are right now. Happy 15th anniversary, my dearest. May God continue to bless you with great joy and cherished memory on all your days ahead. May the Lord continue to bless your marriage for another 90 years. Amen.